ride disco, superstar disco. We can ride looking like a superfly disco. And you can ride disco, and we can fly disco. And you can ride looking like a superfly disco. We can ride disco, superstar disco. We can ride.
Right, guys.
All
good
right,
morning.
good morning. We're actually here to pick up some new set of wheels.
Yes.
And we are right here at the Mackin Wheel Industry.
Yes.
So we're just here to pick up our new wheels.
Yep.
Okay, let's
go.
So we actually fit 2 wheels back here. We took everything out. We also took everything out. We could actually fit all 5 of them here, but we don't want to scratch our carbon fiber harness bar. So this is it right here. We got all 5 of them. Okay. Thank you so much, Race. And we are now heading back. This is how our new wheels looks like. Wow. Even smells like Japan too.
How do you even open this?
Oh,
here.
There you go.
Oh wow, their spec sheet.
It's in Japanese. Oh, here's the English side. Their warranty. Okay, the unveiling. Ta-da!
Wow, that's nice.
So it says Race Engineering Forge right there. And these are the specs over here. And it says made in Japan. 6 lug nuts just to make sure that it's the correct one. Okay, so we got our industrial weighing scale.
Yeah.
Let's see how much this weighs in pounds.
Yep.
Right now, it seems pretty light. So I'm just gonna place it right here. Oh, damn! 19.5 pounds. Wow, that is light. So I had the 5th wheel on top of here, right there. So we made it all fit. I moved it there because if they open it, it might fall. So here's all of our wheels, and we're here at Savant Auto Works, and we're just gonna grab something to eat. All right,
go.
let's walk. Moment of truth. Oh my gosh, look at this. You could finally see the brake caliper, or the brake cover right there. Wow.
Looks nice.
It looks amazing. And this -20 offset too. This thing pops out. Even our lug nuts too. Oh my gosh. Savant did a great job. Okay, we're now headed out. We just got this here at Macklin Industries. And
Yep, we're still here.
this is the center cap slash center hub that will go in our new race wheel, and it's gonna go there,
Yeah.
like that. Okay, now let's put this heavy thing in here. Also finished putting our race cap slash center hub piece and this is how it looks like. All done. Hold on, let me put that light there. There we go. All done right there. All right, so here's our old brake wheels, and we're going to see and check how much this weighs. Here's our old wheels, and we're putting it in the weighing scale.
There, 24.
Oh, there, exactly 24 pounds. This is our new center cap from Race. It also actually acts like a center hub piece right here. I even noticed that too while driving this. So before this, it was just like a little bit kind of shaky, but not that shaky. Now with this on, it was perfectly steady. And that's how our center piece looks like. And here's the driver's side here. Passenger side, front passenger side. And this is now the driver's side. And here's the rear side. We're here at the Catella Bakery, and this is how it looks like. It's so nice and wonderful here. So far we got our drinks, strawberry and watermelon, and we're still waiting for more. So here's our food. I got me the special pastrami with coleslaw. And she got the fried chicken with French fries?
Yeah.
And coleslaw. All right, let's do this.
We can ride, you can ride looking like a super fly disco. You can ride looking like a super fly disco.
Let's make this official, guys.
Wow, there you go, guys. It's official.
Look, it's official.
It's official. It's official.